ATOMSTACK's brand new second-generation laser engraving machine. Made of all aluminum alloy, the body of the machine is formed integrally. It is sturdy, lightweight, and durable. Designed with a fully enclosed frame to perfectly protect the interior. The entire machine is shipped as a single unit, calibrated with precision before shipping, allowing you to use the perfect machine right out of the box. Upgraded to the second-generation 450nm blue light package 20W laser. Smaller size, faster heat dissipation, longer lifespan, improving overall performance by over 30. With the integration of beam coupling technology, the accuracy has been further enhanced. Utilizing the second-generation packaging technology, the laser's focal point extends further, greatly improving cutting ability. Newly added cross-laser positioning feature for clear visibility of the laser's location, perfect alignment for engraving, and easy horizontal adjustment. The 450nm laser is suitable for engraving and cutting various materials. All aluminum alloy body, one-piece frame design, along with dual-axis guide rails and strengthened optical axis, the machine can maintain stability and improve engraving precision even at high speeds. Compatible with a variety of accessories, allowing you to easily handle materials of different shapes and sizes for your creative projects.